Are you somebody who consistently manages to kill plants? Then this video is for you. Hi everyone, I'm Premia. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm kicking off a series about indoor plants care, starting with some basic information to help your plants thrive throughout the year, including the winter months. As a bonus, this will also help you understand why you are killing your plants. Without wasting time, let's dive into the technical details. Basics first. Plant needs these 4 quintessential elements for their survival: water, light, nutrients, favorable environment. I repeat, water, light, nutrients, and favorable environment. If you manage to maintain these 4 elements according to the needs of each plant, then your plants will survive. Pretty simple, right? Believe me, there is nothing more confusing in this world than the favorable environment. And it gets more complicated if you are living away from equator. That means you have different seasons: summer, winter, fall, spring, little bit of rain and clouds, all in different variations. Out of the 4 elements, the light and favorable environment are significantly affected by the seasons. It becomes extremely challenging in the winter months. Let's understand how. It's pretty simple. If it's summer, you get more than 15 plus hours of light in a day, and in winter, it can go down to 6 hours a day or 0, depending on where you live, of course. In Sweden, where I live, we can easily go a month without sun because of the clouds. And that's just light. Let's talk about the real bugger, favorable environment. And what does that even mean? To understand that, let's divide it into 4. Soil, air, temperature, humidity. This is basically what is called favorable environment. Each plant species has different needs for each of these elements. It doesn't stop there. As a result of this change in light and favorable environment condition due to the season, it will also affect the requirement for water and nutrients throughout the year. There you go. I cannot explain this any simpler than this. These 4 quintessential elements requirements changes throughout the year, and it is different for different plant species. That is why, my friends, your plants are dying. You cannot have all of your plants in the same soil bought from the supermarket and water all of them on the same day and expect them to survive. It does not work like that. You need to cater to the needs of each plant, otherwise they will all eventually die. If you do not have the willpower or time, do not go for it. Do not even think about buying a plant other than a Sansevieria or a ZZ plant. Give up already, it's okay. No, I am kidding. If you're still watching this video, then you're very much interested in having indoor plants in your home. Don't you worry, I've got you covered. If I can have these plants, you can too. I am a lazy ass person. Also, the efforts and the time you need to put in to keep your plants alive will significantly reduce when you get a hang of it. If you follow some strategies and rules, you can have a nice greenery inside your home. As you know, greenery inside your home significantly improves the vibe inside your home. Throw a plant on a corner, it instantly elevates the look of that entire area. And it's not only that, it has mental health benefits as well. It improves our mood, it calms us, it improves the mindfulness. Personally, for me, I enjoy being connected to nature. That is something I really miss here, especially in the winter months. I need these indoor plants, otherwise I cannot survive in this cold, dry place. So you guys, you've killed off a lot of plants. Don't worry, don't give up just yet. So in this video, we learned the 4 quintessential elements that are needed for the survival of your plants. Next, I will guide you on how to choose the right plants for your home and also how to keep your plants alive throughout the year. If that sounds interesting, stick around for more videos. I'll see you in my next video.